Hi, this is Abida Farooq, and you are watching. If you have a cold feet in summer days or in a winter days, it means you have a poor blood flow circulation in your legs and feet. You have a poor or a block in your blood streams. You are really stressed if you have a cold feet. You have an underactive thyroid problems if you have a cold feet. Stretch or move your feet. These exercises are very much important. Soak them your food in your warm water and manage your chronic stress if you have. Please eat a healthy diet of meat and red meat, vegetables, fresh fruits, exercise, and keep your food warm with the socks, and do exercises every day, or cut down the cigarettes or such things, because it also produces a dental problem also. Or do exercise regularly, drink plenty of water, and eat healthy and fresh fruits in your diet, and manage your stress level. If you have a more stress, please drink a plenty of water. Thanks for watching, and please press the bell icon for more notifications.